Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Carlita Nelson and Sherry Nickel team page. We're excited to have this page for everybody, and we're going to organize it to be where we can keep posts and things that are vital for you to know and to be able to have and share with your teams and prospects and clients that you are wanting to invite and share to hear more about Arbonne. You're going to be able to find easily on this page. We're going to organize it where there are announcements. In the announcement sections, if you're not familiar, you can click on the page, and onto the left side of the page, there will be the word announcements, and there's going to be certain posts there that will be tagged as an announcement, and it will be a post where you can have and ask questions about verbiage, or you can post some verbiage that's working for you, and that will be where you ask and post verbiage questions in the comment section of that post. There's going to be a post about questions about the business. And then if you have a question about the business, you're going to post that question in the comment section of that post. And then there's going to be a post about questions about the products. And if you have a product question there, you'll ask your question in the comment section of that post. And that way, when people want to ask a question, or maybe you know that question's been answered, you can go and tag people in that, and you can search in those posts that a name or something that will take you to a specific post that you can tag people in. So we'll try to keep it organized, but also not miss any of your questions, because all questions are written in the comments sections of these places, and we will find them, and an experienced consultant can answer them. If you know the answer, feel free to answer. It doesn't have to be a VP that answers. It just needs to be where somebody can find it and help answer. One of the most important things that I want to share with you right now is that you need to be able to set the settings on this group to receive all notifications. If you don't set your group to receive all notifications, you will only get highlights from this group, and you will miss out on a bunch of posts that are going to be helpful for you and your business and your team. So please make sure that you get your settings set to receive all notifications so that you're in the know. So I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know we're excited to have this group for you, and it is unlimited, so we can grow as big and fast as we want, which is what's happening right now, and what is causing us to come back and live and learn how to work efficiently and as effectively in a Facebook group page as we have learned how to work in our messenger groups on a small scale. So I'm excited for all of you and the growth that you have, and look forward to partnering with you and sharing with you in this team page that we are having for you, and partnering together with to give you. Thank you guys so much, and we wish you all the best.